Hi, Albert here with Mainland Cycle Center. Today I want to show you a utility trailer. So we sell trailers here at Mainland Cycle Center. Specifically, we sell Tophat trailers from Tophat Industries. These trailers are built right here in Texas, and very good quality trailers. And so I thought maybe I'd show you a little bit about what makes the trailers that we sell special, and maybe even a few things that would help you if you're shopping for a trailer, even if you're not buying from us. For all of our YouTube crowd out there, that you'll know to look for to know what quality of trailer that you're getting. Now, here at Mainland Cycle Center, we're not in the cheapest trailer you can buy business. You can buy cheaper trailers than I sell here, but I don't believe that you can buy a better trailer than we sell at a better price. So what I'm saying is we order our trailers with a few little upgrades, and these are a very good quality trailer. So let's do a little walk around and we'll take a look at some of the things that go into a trailer. There's going to be differences between a trailer that's a little more expensive possibly than some others, okay? So the first thing you can look at when you're looking at a trailer is the coupler. So this is a forged coupler. This is what we used to refer to as a bulldog style coupler. This is probably the best coupler that you can buy. This is, if it's latched properly, this is not coming loose. And these are very easy to know if they're latched properly. Pretty simply, that piece squeezes in, the sleeve slides forward, and that is not going to come loose. There's a safety pin that goes in just like that. Anyway, that is not coming loose. That is the best coupler you can get. So, and that's a little more expensive than the cheaper couplers that are not as good. And so that's one way you can tell. The other thing you can look at is the tongue. So this is a 4-inch channel on this trailer. This trailer is a 77 by 12. So the deck is 77 inches or 6 feet 5 inches wide by 12 feet long. The 77 by 12 and 77 by 14 are our most popular utility trailers that we sell here because it fits a lot of the utility vehicles that we sell, and we usually sell these to customers that are buying a utility vehicle from us as well. Not always. We sold a trailer to a customer who just needed to buy a trailer this morning, but so it happens both ways because we sell a nice trailer for the money. So this trailer is a 2020 model, and this is again a Tophat 12 by 77, and this trailer is $18.99. Now again, this is 12 feet long. You can buy the 14-foot version of this trailer for $100 more. So if you're not limited for space as far as where you're going to keep your trailer, I would say buy the 14-footer. You get that extra 2 feet for only $100. It's the cheapest time you'll ever get 2 feet of trailer in your life. Okay? And so, but if you're limited for space and 12 foot's what you need, we have them. We sell them. All right? The other thing to look for in the trailer is this top rail on the trailer. This is a pipe top, a 2 3/8 pipe top trailer. This pipe top is going to give you just less flex. It's going to be stronger than typically an angle top. Now you can get an angle top trailer that is very strong. I actually special ordered a trailer for myself one time with an angle top because I thought the angle top would be better for tying to and things like that. It turns out it really wasn't. And so later on when I replaced that, I went to a pipe top trailer. But I ordered it specifically with a heavy duty angle top and not your standard angle top. But everything we're stocking is a pipe top in our more premium trailers. We do have some cheaper trailers that are an angle top that we offer as well. But pipe top trailer. The other thing you can look at is the lighting on it. So this has all LED lighting, and they're mounted in these boxes, these steel boxes that are welded to the frame. And you'll notice they have these little rubber mounts on them so that if you bump one of these lights, they're not going to break. They're not likely anyway. You'd have to hit it just right. But they've got a little give to them. They're also very easy to replace. So should you have one of these lights that does get damaged, you can simply pop it out. They're very inexpensive to buy. Plug in the new one, put it in. These are 100% sealed. Anyway, they're great. The best trailer lights that you can do. And trailer lights are more fragile than I think just about anything out there. You can break a trailer light if the wind blows hard enough, I think. They're always getting busted. And then the cheaper trailer lights also are not sealed as well, so they tend to get moisture and things like that in them. and then you go to the deer lease or use the trailer, and you've got lights that aren't working. So now you're worried about getting pulled over and getting a ticket and all of these things. These are absolutely the best way to do trailer lights. And then pretty much all of my trailers I order with a ramp gate. You'll notice this ramp gate is a 2-inch by 2-inch square tubing. It also has these cross bars, cross members, where you would typically drive up with a vehicle. And so that really protects this expanded metal from getting bended and deformed and coming loose and just getting generally torn up. And so I really like the cross members on these. The other thing that we do special on the trailers that we order is we do a spring assisted ramp gate. And so these are really nice. They're very, very easy to do. And so one-handed, very easily, you can see the springs are actually holding it up. Just take my foot, put on it, and put it down. But my 15-year-old daughter can open and close the gate on one of these trailers. She does it on ours all the time. And so very, very easy to do. Also, this gate will fold flat on the deck. So for fuel economy, if you're hauling the trailer empty, you can fold that ramp gate flat on the deck, and it'll help with your fuel economy a little bit. Obviously, if you've got a vehicle or something on the trailer, you won't be able to do that because you'll need to be able to get the vehicle off. But you know, having the vehicle on there is going to kill the fuel economy a little bit as well. So anyway, not a problem. But if you are hauling it empty, you can fold that gate down flat. The other thing to look for, obviously, would be treated lumber, a treated lumber deck. You do not want to buy a trailer without a treated lumber deck. Just don't do it. It is not worth it, because I promise you that within 2 years or so, you will be replacing that deck. And it is not a fun project to do at all. It's dirty, nasty, it's hard work. You're going to have to buy that lumber again. Excuse me, it is not fun to do. So make sure that the trailer you're buying has a pressure treated lumber deck. All of our trailers we order with the spare tire mount, and this is a nice heavy duty spare tire mount. The spare is an option, so that $18.99 price does not include the spare wheel and tire, but I think we have a really great price on the spare wheels and tires. I think they're like $139, and so I think that's about as cheap as you can buy one anywhere. We've been doing ours with the black wheels, just a little different as opposed to the white or silver. I think it looks kind of cool, but do have a little bit of nice pinstriping on these. These use a 3,500 pound Dexter axle. So 3,500 pound axle, the weight carrying capacity on this trailer is about 2,900 pounds. So from that 3,500 pounds, you have to subtract the weight of the trailer to get your carrying capacity. So the trailer itself weighs 500 or 600 pounds. So it gets you to about 2,900 pounds carrying capacity. I haul these. I have a 77 by 14 personally, and I've hauled utility vehicles all over the state of Texas. Our big Mule Pro FXTs that weigh 1,900 pounds or so, all the time with no problem. You can buy this trailer, essentially the same trailer, but in a double axle if you want. But I really don't think you need to. This will haul utility vehicle, even the biggest, heaviest ones, the Mule Pro FXTs, with no problem. But if you want a little more, you certainly can get it. It just depends on what you're hauling. 4-inch channel tongue. I don't know if I said that, but nice heavy duty tongue on this one. 2,000 pound tongue jack. When you look at these, even the wiring, the 4-pin flat wire plug, very, very nice molded quality. That's not going to rip off very, very easily. So really great there. No trailer brakes on these. That is an option. You can order them with the trailer brakes. The other thing we talk about trailer maintenance is, one of the things you think about is wheel bearings. So these do have the grease cups, the spring-loaded grease cups on them. So if you pull this little rubber cap off, there's a grease fitting in there. And once a year or so, twice a year, you should pump a little grease in those, and that'll push that little spring cup. The idea behind it is that little spring is constantly pushing grease into the new bearings, so you're keeping new grease, fresh grease into those bearings. And so really should reduce maintenance there. Other thing to do is keep an eye on your tires. So if you buy a new trailer after 2, 3, 4 years, you really want to keep a close look on your tires. Good time to replace them. I'll be honest with you, trailer tires suck. None of them are very good. And so definitely it's something you have to keep an eye on. They start to get some age, it can be a real problem. You end up on the side of the road with a flat. Of course, carrying a spare helps, but I have changed a couple of trailer tires on the side of the road myself in the last few years. But you know, I love trailers. Trailers are awesome, not because trailers are super cool. There are some very cool looking trailers, don't get me wrong, but because I like what trailers do. Trailers are a great tool. Usually anytime a trailer's involved, that means things are happening, and I like it when things are happening. Meaning you're buying a new utility vehicle, you need a trailer. You're going to the deer lease or to go ride or to go enjoy your utility vehicle, you need a trailer. Maybe you're moving, you bought a new house, you need a trailer. Maybe you're buying something, I don't know, I've hauled refrigerators, couches, everything with the trailer. So there's always things happening when a trailer's involved. And I think that's why I like trailers so much. And also I'm a tool junkie, and a trailer's just a really, really great tool. But make sure that when you're buying a trailer that you buy the right trailer for you. We have lots of different sizes. You can see we have double axles, we have 16 foot, 18 foot, 20 foot double axle trailers. Car haulers we sometimes have. I don't have a lot of car haulers right now. We even have a couple of the cheaper trailers. But if you're looking for a trailer, come down and see us if you're in our area. If you're not, hopefully you use this video, you got some good information as far as what to look for in a trailer. Treated lumber, the lighting on them, the type of coupler, the size of the steel on the trailer. All of that is going to give you a clue to the quality of the trailer that you're getting. And probably nowhere more so than with trailers, you absolutely get what you pay for. If you're buying a trailer that is this size but significantly less money than this, I promise you're not getting everything that this trailer has. There's not a chance. All right, well, that's a look at this Tophat 77 by 12 trailer. Once again, we are Mainland Cycle Center. We're located in Marque, Texas. We're about 30 minutes south of downtown Houston, just off of I-45. You can find us online at mainlandcyclecenter.com or by phone at 409-948-4969. And we would just love it if you'd give us a call, shoot us an email, or even better, come on down to Mainland Cycle Center, where we'd love to help any way that we can. Hey, thanks for watching.